Okay, hi, hello, this is Ryan Ahmed with you, and this is lesson 4 in Itcl and object-oriented programming on Tcl scripting language. Okay, so Itcl is the scripting, the library or the Tcl package that's used to write object-oriented programs using Tcl. Now, just quickly here, I'm going to talk about destructors. You know, usually in OOP there is destructors. Okay, so whenever you delete a variable, okay, or delete an object, let's say, or when the object finishes its task, it should automatically go through a destructor method. Okay, so I made the toaster and the smart toaster based on the toasting example. Okay, have constructors and destructors. I just wanted also to show you how the construction works and the destruction works. Okay, and their order. So, so there's a constructor here in the toaster, which is the parent class. And there's a destructor here. So when you type destructor, you mean the what should happen when I quit or delete this object. Okay, and as you notice, all the objects are turned into commands. Okay, they don't have to be a variable like with a $sign. So this is also a destructor from smart toaster. Okay, and this is also a constructor from smart toaster. Now each one says hi when I make a new object, and when I delete it, okay, or like destroy this object, okay, I make it say bye. Okay, but you'll see that because smart toaster depends on and it's built based on toaster, because there's no smart toaster without the presence of the class toaster. Therefore, you will have to go through both classes and run both constructors and both destructors. But the order is what differs. Okay, so please take care of the order on how you will when you use, the classes, okay, and create objects. So let's say I created my toaster with a toaster. Let it do whatever it has to do. Okay, now I create a smart toaster. Okay, and it does what it has to do. And then when I finish, this is how you call Itcl delete to delete the object called my toaster. So to delete this one, and then it will go and delete later, because I asked for both the my smart toaster. Now, guess with me how many times that if you think about it a little bit, you'll see that my toaster, okay, of course, we'll call the constructor once here and call the destructor once here, because there is nothing else to do, because this is just a single object. It doesn't depend on any other class, just a single class dependency. Okay, but my smart toaster will call both destructors of both classes, smart toaster and toaster. Okay, and see the order. Now, this is when it starts. It says, and I will rerun it just for you directly. Okay, so just for you to know. So this is my toaster, says hi from toaster. Okay, now it does what it has to do. It calls method print crumbs. Okay, then my smart toaster says first, look, because this is after defining my smart toaster. Okay, so when I defined it, before it goes through this line, it had to go to print another line. So my toaster, okay, printed 2 lines, whereas my smart toaster printed 3 lines. See, when it when it was constructed, or when it was instantiated. Okay, so so that's why we have smart toaster calling toaster first, because I have no smart toaster without toaster. Okay, because smart toaster inherits or takes from toaster, so it has to go into toaster, call this constructor, and then prints, because it calls its constructor, it prints, it says hi from toaster, then it goes back to itself and then prints smart toaster. Okay, now of course it does what it has to do, my smart toaster. Now my smart toaster gets deleted. Okay, so I delete my toaster first. So of course my toaster, as we said, is based on a single class. Okay, there's no inheritance chain, so it will have to go to the destructor here. Sorry, to the destructor of toaster. Okay, this is toaster, and of course it will say buy from toaster. Okay, and as I said, there's no other hierarchy of inheritance. Okay, so there's no other sentence will be printed other than this one. Okay, so now we go to smart toaster. When we constructed, it started with toaster, then smart toaster, but when I delete, I go the opposite way around. So I go smart toaster, then toaster. Okay, because you have to kill the child to go to kill the parent. This is how inheritance works. So what I want to say is there's like this hierarchy is a must-have, and yeah, and I remember what I want to say is that you have here something like a stack system. It's like a first in, last out. Okay, so you go with a toaster, then a smart toaster, and because it's the first in, last out, so it has to go to the opposite way and pop this stack. Okay, so you push the toaster, then on top of it you get smart toaster, then when you want to delete, you remove the smart toaster, then you remove the toaster. Okay, yeah, as I said, first in, last out. Okay, so that's all about destruction, and thanks for watching. Please click the likes, click the subscription so you get more updates, and then click the or type me some comments and click the ads, and that's all. And thanks for watching. Okay, be updated with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.